trash. But we see a skipping rope.
We're going to teach you how to make your own plastic bag skipping rope.
Watch these step-by-step instructions.
For this project, you will need many plastic bags. The longer you want your skipping rope, the more plastic bags you'll need. Flatten your bag and then cut the bottom off. Next, you'll want to cut off both handles. Once you remove the bottom and the handles, you can squish your bag down to make it into a loop. This part is a little tricky, so watch carefully. You'll need to loop 2 bags together. You can overlap them a little bit and then one end goes through the hole. Pull it nice and tight to make the knot as small as possible. You might need to do some wiggling. Once you have 3 strands of 2 bags each, you can twist the ends together nice and tight and tape them together to make a handle for your skipping rope. Now you can braid the strands together tightly. The tighter it is, the stronger your rope will be and the longer it will last. As you get close to the end of the strand, you'll need to add more plastic bags. Do it the same way you saw earlier in the video. Loop them together. It's important not to make the strands too long, otherwise the bottom of them will get tangled as you braid. Keep adding bags and braiding them together until you're happy with the length. Finally, twist the bags together and tape it to create the second handle.
California oranges, 50 cents a pack. California oranges.